Hi guys, today we are going to see about the case study on the biodiversity and ecosystem topic. So the case study on the ecosystem approach to sustainable forestry management. So you know the meaning of ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interrelationship between the biotic and abiotic factors. So the ecosystem management is very important one for the today's life. The sustainable forest management means the conservation of forest management without affecting the future generation and also maintain some management systems. So now we are going to see about the conservation and use of forest resources in the UK. So the case study explained the recent approaches to genetic conservation of native free species in UK. The management of UK followed some principles like sustainable forestry policies and practices. In UK, the forest clearance for agriculture, timber extraction and industrialization, the natural forest cover decides and 80% in post-glacial times to 3% by 1990. So in 18th century, significantly, tree planting has occurred in 1920, high deforestation occur and total forest cover in 12% now. In 1990, the tree planting expansions was achieved and land considerable management for agriculture. So in native species forming the majority of tree planted in afforestation schemes. In UK, the modern forestry includes in the range of woodlands which managed for multiple benefits. The conservation and restoration of semi-natural woodlands remains of the original forest cover. 2% of forest cover typically small and fragmented. The major aim of policy to restore this ecological condition and also planting the native species in normal practices. Then the conservation and sustainable use of genetic resources focus. The UK is developing the balance between conservation and sustainable use of genetic diversity of native tree species. The key concept of forest biodiversity relates to Principle 10 of the ecosystem approaches to develop the forestry policies to balance the potentially conflicting demands of breeding of trees and conservation of genetic species. The UK mostly imported the softwood species and it is used to commercially. The main commercial species in UK are broad-leaved species, oak, beech, ash and wild chinny. So in UK, the past 250 years, the landowner planted the following plants: Scots pine, oaks, beech, which imported from suitable provinces in northwestern parts of continental Europe since Napoleon times. Many other non-commercial species like semi-natural woods has regenerated through planting and translocation of genes or promotion of natural regeneration of saplings. The UK follows some policy development. The Helsinki guidelines. In this policy provide the maintenance the biodiversity, productivity, regeneration capacity, etc. The ecological, economical and social functions at local, national and global levels does not cause any damage to the ecosystems in the environment. In the forest management should maintain and improving the adaptive capturing of food ecosystem, forest ecosystem. The tree species should be well suited to local conditioning and tolerating the potential climate changes. So the use of species, provinces, varieties should be discouraged when the valuable indigenous ecosystems like flora and fauna. So the conservation of forest taxa currently exported for economic purpose and considered secondary or rare one. The state which support research and collaboration on the impact of possible climate change and possible adaptation. Conservation and use of genetic resources. In Nature Woodland Rehabilitation Policy Framework process for past 20 years to increase usage of native species. The high importance for biodiversity conservation includes the timber production towards the multifunctionality objectives. In the genetic conservation and habitat conservation is the important to maintain the sustainability. It is the good evidence to follow the practices and policies. So the UK Forestry Commission should take several steps over the last 2 years to review and strengthen the approach. In 1998, conservational areas for current concepts, knowledge, policies and practices, machinery and research to conservation of genetic native trees and shrubs in Britain. Enos et al. Published in FC Technical Paper at 2000. So then the same thing like we have to conservation of forest areas and biodiversity in our nation is very important one. So the conservation of biodiversity we have to start it from local levels and national levels and achieve to the global levels. For further clarification, here I given some references. So all of you go through it. If there is any clarification, you refer the references. Thank you.